Hey guys, it's Courtney with the Flipping Nomad, and you are here in our special workspace on Keystone's campus where we are bringing the ultimate fusion to life. We're taking it a step further and including special spaces for these two furry friends, so let's go check it out. One of the main reasons I wanted to use a side patio fusion was for the dogs. They love being outside and being up where they can see, but of course they need their own special access to the side patio, which is why we put in a triple insulated special dog door. If you don't have somewhere specific for dog beds to go, they just feel like they are forever in the way. So that is why having dog beds in a dedicated area was very high on the priority list. And of course we couldn't just leave it at dog beds for the living room, which was why I custom built this bed frame so that way the inside of it houses their dog beds for up in the bedroom. And we couldn't just leave it at special dog beds and a special dog door. We've taken it a step further, and it even involves plumbing. But you're gonna have to stay tuned.